Hey guys, it's oh no, no, don't tell me no. This is a no. It's the Tesla Model 3. Oh my god, no. What? Wait, let's test drive this thing. What? This is the Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3. What? I love this car. Now, I'm going to be driving around and, doing lots of stuff with this. Hope you enjoy. And I'm Naruto Legend. Just to be informed, I am Naruto Legend. And I am your daily video maker ninja, Naruto Legend. Hope you enjoy, and I already said that because I just love this car. I'm so happy to drive this. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, smooth turning. And for a car like this to have awesome performance, it's awesome. Oh, I'm speeding. I'm stuck. To have this car as, a family car to drive, I think it'll be awesome. And I think it'll be a really fun car. Wait, don't tell me. Auto drive? Wait. Oh, I think it doesn't work on that. Okay, I understand. Whoa. Alright, so where are the charges? Dude, you're blocking me. Alright. That van just wanted to block me, isn't it? Where are the superchargers? Oh, there they are. Supercharger. Okay. Refill. Supercharger. Now I'm going to show the performance of this car. 0 to 60. What? I didn't even feel that. Oh, I went to 61 miles instead of 60. Damn, this car is fast. This car is fast, and I don't know why I haven't test driven this car before. Or test driven this car. This car is the best. Look at this thing roll. And I'm not talking about stupid, the punches that you love. I'm talking about Tesla rolling with. Look at this, baby, roll. Just look at her. Look. Yep. My Tesla Model 3 is still okay. Why am I damaged like that? Whoa! Alright, I can't see. Hello, dude. There's just a guy in my car. Oh, what a beautiful day. Finally, I can have like a daytime. Ooh, it's nice to drive. And I think it'll be nice to drive this car. I think it'll be really lovely to drive this car. We've entered 200 miles. So, Hold on. So I heard that the Tesla Model 3 can go 250. Whoa. 250 miles per hour. So let's enter 200 again. That's if that car was not trying to turn. Oh, it caught me. 250 I should be going. To test. But it's a Tesla. You test it. Boom. Blum, 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 blum. Blum. I need to stop somewhere. I gotta use the bathroom. Quick. Turn off. Wait, Munich? Where's Munich? Idiot. Oh, and as you can see, I got the standard tires from Tesla too. They had like a Tesla exclusive. I don't mean Tesco exclusive. Munich is there. We are taking this car to Munich. Yes. Munich! 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 I want to get this car repaired. And yeah. Just go. Don't care. Will not care. Don't care. Will not donkey. Whee! My car is broken. Explode. 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 Where's the... There it is. Where is it? Did I just go past where I need it? I don't need supercharger. I don't need supercharger. I need the thingy. Arena move. Arena move. Yeah. Arena move. Yeah. Wow. That's faster than the flashback. Yeah. I don't know how you live with this guy. He likes Peppa Pig. Oh, so boring when you have to like find something, don't you know? Oh. I can't hear a single thing from this car. Just the brakes. Nothing else from this car, just the brakes. No matter how much I turn the volume up. I've gone in circles several times. And I've ended up nowhere. What the hell? Alright guys, I think I might have to skip to the conclusion. Yeah. I'll find you. Oops. At this area. Now that I've found the repair. Boats and things. Boats and things. Alright. Now we skip. Oopsie daisies. We skip to the conclusion. Now, this car. Its performance is amazing. The way it drives is amazing. And 0 to 60 is so cool. 0 to 60. It goes like in a flash. You can't hear anything. Now, my last and final thing I want to say is, should you buy this car or should you waste your money buying this car? You already know what's going on. You gotta buy this damn car. This car is fast. It's a luxury car. This thing is, it's a sports car. It's an electric car. It's all the things these kids want. This is lovely, guys. I would say you buy this. And I'm not gonna be like, buy this now or I'll kill you. I mean it. This car is actually fast. The interior is, the steering wheel is iffy. It looks like the real car. There's nothing much to say. This is what people would want. And this is exactly why I like Elon Musk. Look at what he's created. He's created a masterpiece. Even Nikola Tesla. Look at what they've made. This is amazing. And I hope you guys enjoy. And that'll be it. Peace. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Check out my Discord. Check out my previous Audi RS review. And that'll be it from your fellow Leaf Ninja. Peace.